bowl.
Oh, pickle. Okay, okay.
Like
That's
resembles to pickle bowl also.
okay.
It's a bit new game.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I haven't heard of that. So yeah.
This is a bit hard.
No, it looks great. If you're making the ground
Yes, but
backdrop, it looks great actually.
I'm telling you that it's hard because how do we put the black net, which is just a black line, on
But
top
there
of
will
the?
be a net, right? If you're like thinking of a net, will there be a net? Like the ball will just go through the net, right? In the middle. It will not bounce above the net. So
Yes,
instead
but
of making a net, you
no,
can just
it go over the net.
okay, it will go over in the net. Fine. So you're thinking of like the ball is going to float above the net and then go to other player. Okay, that is great. But it doesn't look bad, right? It looks great as of now. It really looks like a playground.
Finally,
Okay.
yay!
Yeah, that looks great. That really looks great. Much better than like the stuff that is already made. This is much better.
Finally,
Right.
what else?
We are done with the backdrop, right? And now what?
They just duplicate it
Okay, you can duplicate it.
for the game over one.
Okay. Yeah, you can make a game over screen. Okay, so game over done.
Yes.
Right. And
Now,
now, yeah, we'll start with the sprites. So what sprites are we going to have? We're going to have paddles. We're going to have a ball and the red lines.
and what was the last thing you said?
The red lines, the lines on the left and right. That is for what? Game over screen, right?
Oh, okay.
Right. In the
I
first,
just,
it was touching the ground. The ball was touching the ground. Game was getting over. Same thing.
I
Here,
just, I just put other nets.
yeah, you can put anything. If you want to put a net, that's fine.
No, too high, too high. Wait, wait. I think I did it the wrong way. It's supposed to be the other way. Don't tell me I have to do two. Yes, I have to do two. I'm pretty sure. Oh God, no, no.
If you try to make like a bat, right? That is hitting the ball, or is that a person?
That is more of a bat.
Yeah, that is more of a bat. Yeah, that definitely looks like a bat.
And
Like
whatever,
bat only.
whatever it is, it's more like a paddle.
Yeah, yeah. Like it looks good as a bat. Like it looks good as a bat only, not as a person. You can decrease the size a little bit, right? It is a little bit more big for the game area. You can
Yes,
decrease
I'm
it.
duplicating and then. Then I have to duplicate this thing and then turn it.
Yes. So you can do what? Instead of duplicating this thing and turn it, can you like you should use a different one because think this is a multiplayer game, right? So if this is one paddle, the other paddle will be a different thing. It may look like this, but it will be a different sprite, right? It will be a different game object. That will be a different control. It will be a different person playing. So it will just not be a duplicate. It may look same, but the controls will be different. You can just work on having another sprite that maybe looks like it, but the controls will be different.
Wait, just blue and then here will be red. God, trying to pick. And then I make one. No. I make this smaller by 10.
No, no, 10
10
will be very small. Yeah, it will be very small. Make it 40 or 50.
Oh God, my battery's running out.
Wait, I get it charged.
Okay, and you'll make another one, right? Make sure that you don't run out of battery first, and then make another one, right?
Yes.
Okay, so Rishabh, you are making this costume in the same sprite, right?
Oh,
We have to make it one for different control, right? You can just copy whatever you have done and maybe like use the same costume in a different one.
nice.
Right now we are going to have two different paddles. You can make this different, you can make this same as the first one. That's completely up to you. Like if it is different, that will be better, to be honest, because that will make us feel that okay, these are two different paddles controlled by two different players. Okay, so that's up to you. And then we'll start working on the controls, movement and all. And this will be facing in the opposite direction. If the first one is facing left, yeah, correct. This will be facing right.
No, wait a second. I think I might have made a mistake on the other one.
Okay, you can fix that, right? Let's make this one and then fix that one.
Yes. It's supposed to be another color. The blue is supposed to be the one outer. The red's supposed to be the one that is inside.
Okay, okay. You can change that, right? You can change that later. So you can make this one correctly first, then change that one.
Yes. Might be a bit big, but finish with that one. What is the other one? 50.
Yeah, it was 40, so it will be at 40.
No, it's 50.
Okay, so it's 50 then. Right, and you'll be setting the positions right on the left and the right. And there's one more, two more sprites. You have the ball you have to add. That's going to be the ping pong ball, and the other one will be the lines.
Is the other one bigger?
Yeah, that circle can be bigger. It can be a little bit different in this one than the other. But if you're keeping the size 50, then that is like that doesn't matter. It can be bigger. It can look different. The size will be
One color. Nice.
it will be blue, right? Yeah.
You know the rockets are actually called ping pongs?
What actually what?
You know the rockets are called ping pongs?
Oh, the rackets are called ping pongs. Okay, really? I didn't know that.
I think they are.
Maybe the ball is broken.
Okay. So is this number 2 or shouldn't this be number 1? Ping pong
Oh,
1.
that's number 2. Number 1's on the other side.
Okay, okay.
I can't copy it.
No, you cannot copy. Like you can, I think, but if it is like you have to select the whole thing first. Okay, and now the not yet. There are three more sprites to go. You have 2 red lines and the ball. You cannot just start with the code as of now. You can, that is up to you. But just finish the sprites first, and then you can add the code.
A bit thicker. That's one line.
Right, and where should it be? Like, will it be in the middle or should it be in the back? In the back, right? Okay.
This will be net 2.
Yeah, it is not going. You have to move it in the drawing area. You have the drawing area, right? You have to move it there. Move it towards the left there. Select first. You can select it, and then you'll have to move it. Yeah, this will also work. This is like, to be honest, this is the better way. Okay, another line you'll have to add, and the ball. And instead of having a black color, maybe a different color so that the lines can be noticeable. If you're good with black, then it's fine, because like right now I don't like notice
It is
the line.
just in the front end.
Okay, fine. Then you can keep it black. Just like you'll have to add two more sprites, another line and the ball. Okay, net 2. So this is ping pong 1, right, on the left? So shouldn't it be net
Yes.
1?
Ping pong 1, ping
So-
pong 2, and then the other area will be net 3 because there's another net in the middle.
Oh, okay. So there's another in the middle. Okay, that's great. I forgot about the middle one.
Net. Why can't I see net 2? Net 2. Why can't I see net 2?
No, net 2 is on the left, right?
Interesting.
Yeah, there is net 2 on the left, right? You can even increase the thickness of it. Okay. Yeah, if you're like placing it with the in according to the ground that you're made, then you can close the costumes, go to your code, and then you can move it, right? Yeah, now you can move it, the net 2.
After that, it's the ball.
Yeah, after that is the ball, and that will be for today, right? We are already past our time. I'm just waiting for you to finish the UI part, the interface part. Once we're done with that, we will start with the movement and the controls, the scores, music maybe in the next class, right? So that's all
Yes,
for today.
but
Just add your ball. I'll wait for that thing, and then we can proceed with the movement in our next class.
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, you have to make it a little bit smaller. It should be less smaller than your paddles, right? Yeah, you can change this size from that size 100 you have below your game area. You can change the size from there. That it doesn't matter. So yeah. Okay, so this thing will be over the ball, you are saying, right? That
Yes.
name will be over the ball. Okay, so for now, increase the size of the ball, and then later on you can decrease it from your size. That will help you to write it on the ball. For now, increase the size of the ball first, write the ping pong, whatever you're writing on the ball. Then later on, decrease the size from the size option you have below your game area. Increase the size first. Yeah, make a bigger ball, make a bigger ball first. Then you can write it, and then you can decrease the size after you have written that ping pong thing. Okay, that is like a huge one. So you can decrease it a little bit, right? No, you don't have to erase it, right? You can just do undo. You don't have to erase the whole thing. Just click on undo.
No,
You
it's
have-
okay.
you-
It's
like,
okay.
it will take a lot of time to do that. So
It'll be okay. Yeah. Oh God.
yeah, you can now undo it. You have made
I
the
just
wrong
put it
thing,
in
right?
the background.
Yeah. So now you should undo it, right? Yeah, this is better. So go back to your first ball. Keep on clicking on undo. Go back to the first ball when it had like a bigger size. Then write the ping pong thing over there. Okay.
There.
Yeah. Okay. You can write it over there in the ping pong and then decrease the size. Yeah, you can delete that one. You have to select it first. Click on the select arrow. Okay, your erasing is fine. Click on the select arrow and then just delete it. Yeah, click on that. Yeah, delete it. Right. That's how you use the select arrow, right? That's much better than erasing every time. Now you can write it and then decrease the size of it. Because if you decrease it first and then write